Hello friends. So finally Hayabusa is coming and yesterday I saw the teaser and believe me I'm completely blown away by looks and design. Like adrenaline is rushing in my veins. So finally Hayabusa is coming back with the new updates, new design language. So this is going to be like crazy bike because in India you know very well this is our nation's favorite bike and everyone wants to buy Hayabusa, and if it is coming with the electronics means now it has more safety. So it has more safety and more like features, fully loaded electronics. So without further delay, let's start our video. And if you're new on my channel, my name is Dinesh Patel and you're watching Dinesh Lifestyle channel. So if you want to support my channel, please subscribe that button, and if you like that video, please hit that like button. And if you want to share any comments or if what you like about the Hayabusa, you can just comment below. I will for sure give you the response on that. No, because I really love this bike. So without further delay, let's start this video. So the first thing which I saw, the new design. This is really going to be like crazy. This bike is now light front end, we can see very sharp, it is very agile now, and I really like that twin exhaust. I'm crazy for twin exhaust bikes. And then if I will talk about the second one, which is like the LED lights are looking like for the bigger bikes, they are really great. I mean, they are giving a great look, they are giving a great illumination. So they are going to offer you great visibility because I can see the power of that LED. So even I saw that videos, I don't know how many times I have seen this video, and I mean from last night I'm repeating this video on repeat mode. I'm really in love with this bike. And then third thing, if I will talk about the new speedometer, and oh boy, if you love analog meter, still you are going to love this bike because I really love this analog meter, and Suzuki is going to continue with this one. So this is going to be amazing with an analog meter. And after that, if I will talk about other electronics, so you can see the switches and everything is going to be like completely changed with the BS6 avatar you will find in India. And all the electronics are been loaded in this one, so you're not going to worry about the electronics. And then if I will talk about the fifth one, so power modes now is there, so you can just change the power as per your requirement. So that is also very good thing, like when you want that 100% power, when you want to go hard on your throttle, you can just use that 200 bhp or more than 200 bhp. We are not sure about the power figure, but this is going to be amazing. And then if I will talk about the traction control, so we can see the 10 levels of traction control. So now you can just twist the throttle and your bike is not going to lose your traction. So traction control is also there. This is going to be amazing those who wants to like crisp throttle. And the fifth thing is like lift control. We can see lift control or the wheelie control. So this is for those, like it means it is now more powerful, so we are assuming it should be more than 200 bhp. And it is going to again cross that 320 kilometers per hour mark. I know, because Hayabusa is known for that, to cross that 300 mark. So this time also we are assuming Suzuki Hayabusa is going to beat that 320 wala mark. And then if I will talk about the more electronics in the eighth one, the changes we can see there is lean angle sensor. It means so it is going to be like with the new IMU. You have the full electronics control, like new ECU will be there, new IMU will be there. So those who want more electronics in your bike, those who want for more safety, because if that much power is there, you need to control that bike. So it means new IMU is going to rock that bike. And if I will talk about the quick shifter, which is very important to shift the gear when you are on a racetrack, every millisecond is very important. So at that time this quick shifter helps a lot. It is going to save you a lot of time on track. So those who are looking for the track bike, now Suzuki Hayabusa is going to offer you that also with the up and down quick shifter. So this was the main 10 changes which I saw, and I'm really in love with this bike. That twin exhausts are really awesome. They made my day. I mean, this video made my day. So what do you think, guys? What is your suggestion? What do you like the most? What do you like what was your opinion when you saw this video? Just comment below. And if you are new on my channel, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel. So this bike is completely legend, and I'm sure when this will come again, it is going to hit that market. And all super bikes, you know very well, they compete with Hayabusa. So if I will talk about the pricing, we don't know, but the rumors are saying it is going to be around 20 lakhs on road in India. So that will be like value for money, I can say, because for the displacement and the power and the electronics and the new technology is there. So around 20 lakhs on road will be the great one, but we don't know what exactly will be the on road pricing. That we will get to know on 6 February. So tell me which feature you like the most, and if you're new on my channel, please don't leave to subscribe and support. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Jai Hind.